Welcome to my channel. How to set up Netgear RS700 Wi-Fi 7 Router Nighthawk App. Step-by-step installation. Step 1. Unbox your Netgear RS700 router and check that you have the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick start guide. Step 2. Place the router in a central location in your home for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Step 3. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. Wait until the LED lights turn on. Step 4. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem (ISP) device to the Internet port, usually yellow, on the Netgear RS700 router. Step 5. Download the Nighthawk app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Step 6. Open the app. Create or log in to your Netgear account. Step 7. The app will automatically detect your router. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the setup. Step 8. Assign a unique Wi-Fi name SSID and create a strong Wi-Fi password. Save these details. Step 9. The app will finalize the setup and connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network. Step 10. Test your internet connection. If needed, use the Nighthawk app to run a speed test, update firmware, or troubleshoot common issues. Your Netgear RS700 Wi-Fi 7 router is now ready with faster speeds, stronger security, and advanced features. Thank you for watching.